बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नादरीन, वेलकम टू द माय चैनल। आइए देखते हैं वर्ल्ड जनरल नॉलेज के बारे में कुछ मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट और मोस्ट रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस और उनके आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच वन इज़ द हाईएस्ट ऑयल एक्सपोर्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड? आंसर, सऊदी अरेबिया। क्वेश्चन 2, व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ नेशनल इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी ऑफ इसराइल? Answer, Mossad. Question 3, where is the headquarters of Google is located? Answer, California. American city है ये। Question number 4, who is the founder of WikiLeaks? Answer, Julian Assange. Question number 5, when the social media site Facebook was first founded? Answer, 2004. Question number 6, which city is known as the diamond capital of the world? Answer, Antwerp, city of Belgium. Question 7, which one is the longest river in the America? Answer, Missouri River. Question 8, Vietnam War was ended in the year? Answer, 1975. Question number 9, first man to win Nobel Prize in Physics? Answer, W.K. Röntgen. Question 10, which country has the highest number of internet users in the world? Answer, China. Question 11, which country first introduced the bullet train? Answer, Japan. Question 12, which country is the highest producer of wine in the world? Answer, France. Question 13, who is the first non-European and non-American Secretary General of United Nations? Answer, Youthant. Question 14, how many principal organs of United Nations have? Answer, 5. 15, Astana is the capital city of which country? Answer, Kazakhstan. Question 16, where the International Court of Justice headquarters is located? Answer, The Hague. Question 17, where the headquarters of US Defense Pentagon is located? Answer, Virginia. How many new countries are emerged from the Union of Soviet Socialist Republic in its dissolution in December? Answer, 15. Question 19, how many countries are border with Black Sea? Answer, 6. Question 20, Sofia is the capital city of which country? Answer, Bulgaria. 21, first American president to win a Nobel Prize? Answer, Theodore Roosevelt. Question 22, which one is the largest country by population in Africa continent? Answer, Nigeria. Question 23, which country has the highest density of population in the world? Answer, Monaco. Question 24, which one is the first constitutional republic in Asia? Answer, Taiwan. Question 25, which one is the capital city of Canada? Answer, Ottawa. Question 26, Mediterranean Sea is connected to which ocean? Answer, Atlantic. Question 27, which one is the first country to allow women to vote? Answer, New Zealand. Question 28, total number of countries in the group of the Commonwealth of Nations? Answer, 53. Question 29, Oslo is the capital of? Answer, Norway. Question 30, a European Union was established as a result of? Answer, Treaty of Paris 1951. Question 31, which one is the 193 country to join United Nations? Answer, South Sudan. Question 32, in which of the following country you will find the Ural Mountains? Answer, Russia. वाज़ेह है यूरल माउंटेन जो है ये एशिया और यूरोप को आपस में कनेक्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 33, विच वन इज़ द लार्जेस्ट कंट्री बाय एरिया इन द अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट? आंसर, अल्जीरिया। क्वेश्चन 34, विच वन इज़ द लार्जेस्ट सिटी ऑफ अफ्रीका कॉन्टिनेंट? आंसर, कायरा, मिस्र का दारुल-हुकूमत। क्वेश्चन 35, which one is the official language of Canada along with English? Answer, French. Question 36. Which one is the largest city of Canada? Answer: Toronto. Question 37. Where is the headquarters of World Wide Fund for Nature is located? Answer: Switzerland. Question 38. Which country is the largest producer of cotton? Answer: China. Question 39. Which of the following countries has the longest overland tunnel? Answer: Switzerland. 40. Headquarters of European Union is situated at Brussels, capital of Belgium. Question 41. Which city is also known as the city of Canals? Answer: Venice. Question 42. Warsaw is the capital of Poland. Question 43. Total number of members in a European Union is 28. 44. The United Nations General Assembly meets regularly. Answer: once in a year. Question 45. The Amnesty International was established in the year. Answer: 1961. Question 46. Earth Day is celebrated on April 22. Question 47. In which continent the country Eritrea is located? Answer: Africa. Question 48. Which city is also known as the fruit garden of Pakistan? Answer: Quetta. Question 49. The most populated desert in the world is Thar, Pakistan. First Asian city to host Olympics? Answer: Tokyo, Japan, 1964. इस तरह की मालूमात पर मबनी मज़ीद वीडियोज़ के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन भी क्लिक करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें और फीडबैक का इजहार करें। खुदा हाफिज़।